Hi, this is Mitch from Aquasyn. One of our customers recently talked to me about a concern they are having with a scheduled change out of a diaphragm. Our half-inch manual valve, like this one here, is installed in a difficult to reach location where one of those big bulky valves with the awkward top works and confusing handle system, it just won't fit. Anyway, their concern is while removing the body in order to change out the diaphragm, that a lock washer might fall into a spot that's difficult to retrieve, causing increased maintenance time and a fair amount of frustration. Our customer gave me a suggestion which I shared with our engineers, and together we came up with a pretty simple solution. A retaining washer that holds a lock washer in place, just like this here. Now, we're able to make this an option for our diaphragm valves. This is a perfect example of how we are able to evolve as a solutions provider by listening to you, our customer. So if you have any concerns or challenges or suggestions regarding diaphragm valves, please contact us at www.aquasyn.com. And don't forget, if you're ever in a rush, we're available on Amazon. Thank you very much.